Hey, it's me, BTnGy, and Lila. And, so today I'm going to be microwaving something from another video of mine. Mountain Dew and Mentos. Yeah, there it is. I've already started it. It's been in for about, I don't know, 8 minutes or so. And there it is. It's pretty awesome. I'll check on it every now and then, because I do not want to be in this area when it goes off. But there's Lila. Lulu. Can you sit? Sit. Sit. Aw, she's sad. She's a good girl. And then there's Sammy. Sammy. One of our few good, kind of good shots of Sam. Back over here. Okay, you can smell the Mentos and the Mountain Dew, and it's hissing, like, so it's weird. I do not want to be by that, but it's, oh, it's buzzing, buzzing, whatever. It's my yard, the grass and playground and jacuzzi and pool and putting green. Pretty awesome. Let's see what's going on. Whoa! Ah, that's hot, but I should get. Oh! Did you see that? The cap is there, but the bottle's over there. That's awesome. Well, this has been a BTnGy production. Please rate, subscribe, and whatever the last thing I say is, or Branson says that I'm starting to say. Well, if I do this, it's smoking. You can see that on camera, that's awesome.